Someone from the Diamond Club sent me a little box, did they? Someone sent me a little box. I wonder what's inside, mate. What do you think it is? Is it a cat? Is it a dog? Is it a little baby bird in there? There's no hose in the box. I don't know why I went British. It's another box. I think Sakura might be right. Sakura, I think you're right. I think there's another box in here. Keep the accent going. Well, what you running the bloody stream, or am I? I do the accent for a few seconds. Everyone goes up in arms, but then when I stop, you want me to keep it going? What is wrong with your chat? Except when it's bloody Tuesday, then you don't like the accent, right? You want me to stop? Oh, looking flawless, he's being insensitive. Well, it is bloody Tuesday. All right, let's find out what's in this box, chat. I'm holding it at an angle to protect my sensitive information because y'all are weird sometimes. Not you, but you. Not you. You. That's an eerily good British accent. Hey, man. What's in the box, chat? What's in the box? It's not a cat. It's not a cat. I was kind of hoping it was a cat, guys. But, you know, I'm not even a cat guy, but for whatever weird reason, I was hoping there was a still living baby cat in the box. It's not a cat. What? Oh! It's a Stream Deck Plus sent to us by a very, very valued member of the Diamond Club. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Hey. This little bad boy has gotten me so far. This little bad boy has gotten us so far. I love it. I'm going to repurpose it. I'm going to figure out what to do with this one. Maybe I'll give it away. I don't know. We'll see. But man, I've been watching and reading and looking at the reviews for this bad boy. And it can do so much. Let's take it out. Let's check out the unboxing experience. Will it help your mic work? You mean my Elgato mic? Oh, that was clean. Did y'all hear that? I wish y'all heard that. Look at this, man. Look at this bad boy. This is clean. Hold up. We're going through this the first time. The Elgato Stream Deck Plus. All right, what do we have in here? Is this our usual books and stuff? Pluck them and file them. Who gets that reference? Shout out in chat if you get that reference. Oh, I'm looking at it right now. Chat. This thing is gorgeous. Ooh! All right, well, that's the unboxing. Oh my. Oh my. It's so beautiful. Look how shiny it is. All the buttons are so clicky. So we got eight buttons. This is a touch screen. And then we have 4 knobs. So you can have the 8 buttons. You can have the touchscreen buttons. And then you have the knobs that they have a clockwise turn, counterclockwise, and they click. Oh, you hear that click? So that's like however many combinations that is. It's like way more than a standard Stream Deck. And built-in, oh, this is hefty. I like this. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Man, you guys take such good care of me. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'm gonna set this up tonight. We're gonna have it ready to go for stream tomorrow. But this is gonna take the production level to another stratosphere. Just with some of the amazing things we could do with this. So thank you so much. So it comes with this. A nice USB. Oh, it's a braided cable. It's a braided cable. Ooh. Think that's it. Very nice box though. Shout out to Elgato for this box. This was a good unboxing experience. I like it. I like it a lot. So this is the Stream Deck Plus. Allows for much more seamless control of the stream. And we're gonna make good use out of this. So thank you. I appreciate it. Guys, y'all take such good care of me, man. Thank you so much. And I don't know, maybe we put this unboxing on YouTube. If you're watching this on YouTube, thank you so much for watching. This was recorded live at twitch.tv/D_flawless. Come in and say hi. We like to have fun here. We play a lot of Destiny 2, a little bit of Pokemon, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, but mostly we vibe out and have fun. So hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you have an Elgato Stream Deck Plus, or if you'd like one, or if you have any questions about it, feel free to throw them in the comments. But until next time, peace out. I love you. Bye-bye.